Ready to connect the DDJ-200 to WeDJ wirelessly via Bluetooth? We'll also connect your speakers and headphones to the splitter cable so you can start playing. First, make sure the unit is powered by the supplied USB cable that plugs into the back of the unit. You can use this with a standard USB plug or a USB battery power pack. Now, let's install WeDJ for iPhone. You can use the QR code in the Quick Start Guide to find WeDJ for iPhone. When you open WeDJ for iPhone, a tutorial will appear. It shows you how to use the app and gives you an overview of its features. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. Then select the third option, Connect the DDJ-200. Once the unit has connected, the Bluetooth indicator on your DDJ-200 will stop flashing and stay lit up. Navigate back out of the settings menu. An icon will appear in the top right corner of the screen to confirm the connection to your DDJ-200. Now you're connected. You can control WeDJ with the DDJ-200. To listen to audio through your headphones and speakers at the same time, you'll need to use the splitter cable that comes in the box. Remember, if you want to keep things simple, you can connect your phone and DDJ-200 wirelessly over Bluetooth and just use your phone's built-in speaker. Connect your headphones to the white connector with the headphone icon. Then connect the input mini jack of your speakers to the black connector with the speaker icon. Connect the splitter cable to the headphone output of your smartphone. Some smartphones may need an adapter, which is sold separately. Now enter the settings menu. Select audio and navigate to the pre-queuing split output option. Make sure the split output option is activated. This will split your stereo signal into two mono signals. The left channel becomes the master output that plays through your speakers, and the right channel becomes the monitor output that plays through your headphones for queuing. You can also adjust the volume of your output here. Navigate back to the main screen in WeDJ, and you're ready now to start DJing.